Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create reminders for your tasks and activities on ClickUp to notify yourself of the upcoming tasks. So it is very simple, guys. Let us guide you through this. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace here in the top left. And there are basically three different ways how you can create reminders. The first option would be to click on that button in the top right corner here in that top bar on that clock here, to create a reminder. Alternately, click or use the shortcut R. And the third option would be to click on that plus new button here and to create a new item. But instead of creating a new task in that popping up window here, you may switch from task to reminder here to create a new reminder. So give your reminder a name, like for example, finish video scheduling or something like that. And what you want to do after that, guys, is set a due date here below where it says today. So let's say, for example, I would like to set a due date for this weekend, Saturday. You may, of course, go with a custom date here, go through that calendar and pick a custom date, or set a recurring due date for the given task by clicking on set recurring here and set a recurring frequency for the given task, like daily, weekly, monthly, and so on and so forth. And what you want to do after that, guys, is set a notification time here to notify yourself by clicking on that bell icon. So let me go, for example, with, I don't know, 1 day before. Let me go with 1 day. And after that, confirm by clicking on done here. And last but not least, you may attach, for example, files to your reminder by clicking on that button here and upload instructions, PDF files, and so on and so forth. And once it's done, finish by clicking on create a reminder there. And after that, ClickUp will create the reminder and notify you of the given task depending on your due date and your notification time or date. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, the reminder has been created. So hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.